Why you sleep worse after 50? Why you sleep worse after 50? The hidden reason. 8 to 10 Dachycolic says Linda Metney. If you're over 50 and wondering why you suddenly can't sleep like you used to, you're not alone. Millions of people experience dramatic changes in their sleep quality after age 50, and most blame it on normal aging. But the truth is, there's a hidden, biological reason that has nothing to do with getting older and everything to do with a hormone that starts declining in your 40s. What you're about to discover could be the key to restoring the deep, restorative sleep you enjoyed in your younger years. This isn't about sleeping pills or complicated routines. It's about understanding what's really happening in your body and how to fix it. Naturally, the hidden culprit behind your sleep problems is melatonin in decline. Most people know melatonin as a sleep supplement, but they don't understand that it's actually a powerful hormone your brain produces naturally. Starting around age 40, your body begins producing significantly less melatonin each night. By age 60, you're producing about half the melatonin you made at age 20. This dramatic decline explains why you now wake up multiple times during the night, have trouble falling asleep, and feel less rested even after 8 hours in bed. But melatonin decline is just the beginning. After 50, your sleep architecture, the way your brain cycles through different stages of sleep, fundamentally changes. You spend less time in deep sleep, which is when your body performs most of its healing and memory consolidation. Your circadian rhythm also shifts with age. The internal clock that regulates when you feel sleepy and alert starts running earlier. This is why you feel tired at 8 p.m., but wide awake at 4 a.m. Your body thinks you should be going to bed with the sun and waking up before dawn. Temperature regulation becomes problematic after 50. Your body's ability to maintain optimal sleeping temperature declines, leading to night sweats or feeling too cold during sleep. Even slight temperature changes can fragment your sleep throughout the night. Your kidneys also change how they process fluids as you age. This leads to more frequent nighttime urination, which disrupts your sleep cycles. Each time you wake up to use the bathroom, it becomes harder to return to deep sleep. But here's what most people don't know. These changes aren't inevitable. There are specific strategies that can dramatically improve your sleep quality after 50. And they don't involve prescription medications with dangerous side effects. First, optimize your melatonin production naturally. Your body produces melatonin in response to darkness. But modern lighting interferes with this process. Blue light from phones, televisions, and LED bulbs suppresses melatonin production for hours after exposure. Create a technology curfew 2 hours before bedtime. Use warm, dim lighting in the evening. And consider blue light blocking glasses if you must use devices. Your bedroom should be completely dark. Even small amounts of light can disrupt melatonin production. Morning sunlight exposure is equally important. Getting 15 to 20 minutes of natural sunlight within an hour of waking helps reset your circadian rhythm and supports healthy melatonin in production. Later that evening, address the temperature problem by keeping your bedroom cool, ideally between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Use breathable bedding materials and consider moisture-wicking sleepwear. If you experience night sweats, Time your fluid intake carefully. Stop drinking liquids 3 hours before bedtime to minimize nighttime bathroom trips. If you must drink something, take small sips rather than large amounts. Your dinner timing significantly affects sleep quality. Eating large meals close to bedtime forces your body to focus on digestion rather than sleep preparation. Finish eating at least 3 hours before bed, and avoid spicy or acidic foods that can cause heartburn. Exercise improves sleep quality at any age, but timing matters. Regular physical activity helps regulate your circadian rhythm and reduces stress hormones that interfere with sleep. However, avoid vigorous exercise within 4 hours of bedtime as it can be too stimulating. Stress management becomes crucial after 50 because chronic stress elevates cortisol, which directly opposes melatonin. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, gentle stretching, or meditation before bed to help your nervous system transition into sleep mode. Consider natural sleep support supplements, but use them wisely. While melatonin supplements can help, start with very low doses, 0.5 to 1 milligram taken 30 minutes before bedtime. Higher doses can actually make sleep problems worse and leave you groggy the next day. Magnesium is another helpful supplement that supports muscle relaxation and nervous system function. Many people over 50 are magnesium deficient, which can contribute to restless sleep and muscle cramps. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Even on weekends, your circadian rhythm thrives on predictability. So going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps strengthen your natural sleep-wake cycle. If you're taking medications, review them with your doctor. Many common medications for blood pressure, depression, and other conditions can interfere with sleep quality. Sometimes timing changes or alternative medications can make a significant difference. Address underlying health conditions that worsen with age. Sleep apnea becomes more common after 50 and can severely fragment your sleep. If you snore loudly or feel tired despite adequate sleep time, discuss sleep apnea testing with your healthcare provider. Hormonal changes, particularly in women going through menopause, can significantly impact sleep. Hot flashes and hormonal fluctuations disrupt sleep architecture. Working with a healthcare provider to address these changes can dramatically improve sleep quality. The most important thing to understand is that poor sleep after 50 isn't something you have to accept. Quality sleep is essential for immune function, memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation accelerates aging and increases your risk of serious health problems. Start implementing these strategies gradually rather than trying to change everything at once. Focus on the fundamentals first: darkness, cool temperature, and consistent timing. Then add other improvements as these become habits. Track your sleep patterns to identify what works best for you. Keep a simple sleep diary noting what time you went to bed, how long it took to fall asleep, how many times you woke up, and how rested you felt in the morning. Remember that improving sleep quality takes time. Your body needs several weeks to adjust to new routines and reset its natural rhythms. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. The sleep you enjoyed in your 20s and 30s is possible again with the right approach. By understanding why sleep changes after 50 and taking targeted action, you can restore the deep, restorative sleep that's essential for healthy aging. What sleep changes have you noticed after 50? Share your experience in the comments. And if this information helps you understand why your sleep has changed, hit that like button to help others discover these natural solutions for better sleep at any age.